Hi guys, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I will show you how to see biggest files on Windows 10 and easily find those large files taking up space on your computer. Step 1. Open File Explorer by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar and go to this PC to search all your drives together, or open a specific drive if you only want to check that location. Step 2. Click on the View tab at the top of File Explorer, which lets you control how files and folders are displayed and accessed. Step 3. Click on Show in the View options and make sure Hidden Items is checked so that any hidden files, which may take up significant space, are included in your search. Step 4. Click on the search box in the top right corner of File Explorer. This is where you can type commands to filter and locate files quickly. Step 5. Type size, followed by the size you want to search for, like size. If 101 byte or size 1 GB, you want to filter files that are larger than the amount you specify. Step 6. Press Enter or click OK, and Windows will display all the files larger than the size you set, making it easy to see which files are taking up the most space. Step 7. Browse through the search results to locate and manage the biggest files on your Windows 10 PC, helping you free up storage and keep your system running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tips.